Look how big it is.
We will eat well tonight. The fish is cut.
I have the skewer ready.
The stew is almost done.
Here, take this piece.
Thank you, brother. The stew is good, Zara.
Are you full?
Yes, completely. The berries were sweet today.
Today, we hunted deer. Oh.
I found a new source of water.
And then the great bear fell. We eat well tomorrow.